Hey there, Joey from Day Job Hacks. Today I'm going to talk about how to start making money immediately today with affiliate marketing. This question was asked to me today by somebody inside Powerhouse Affiliate. They asked me, how do I start making even $1 a day? I just want to know immediately how I can start making money so that I can scale that to bigger numbers going forward. And it's a fantastic question, and that is exactly what I'm going to talk about today. Alright, welcome to this video and thank you for tuning in. If you like this type of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, click the bell icon and everything else. Now, let's get into it. How do you make money starting immediately today? First of all, you don't do it with content marketing. But wait a minute, Joe, you're doing content marketing right now. You're on YouTube. Yes, I'm on YouTube and it took me months to make money from YouTube. But it was a very valuable project. I underwent it because I know content marketing makes a ton of money. For all of you SEO people out there, yes, SEO is worth it, but today we're talking about fast money. SEO is not fast money. Search engine optimization takes months, weeks, years, sometimes of hard work before you start seeing results. Now that we have all of that out of the way, the best way to start making money today immediately is with paid and free traffic methods that I am going to share in this video. So first of all, let's talk about what it takes to start making money today if you're first of all just starting out. First of all, you need to join an affiliate network or an affiliate program, okay? And most affiliate programs are not going to pay you today. They're going to pay you in about 30 days from now, okay? So if you join ClickBank, for example, or if you join a CPA affiliate network, you are still going to be waiting 30 days to get paid. That is just the reality. That is how affiliate networks work. They review your traffic, they make sure you're not trying to scam them, and then they make sure that your banking is set up, your website's proper, and then they pay you, okay? So even though you might be earning commissions today, you're not going to actually be getting paid today. Sorry, unfortunately that's how it works. Now that you know that, let's use ClickBank as an example because ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate networks out there, especially for new people starting in the game who want to start making money quickly, all that fun stuff, okay? ClickBank has a ton of digital products and they actually now have some physical products as well. You can join ClickBank from pretty much anywhere in the world and they will pay you once you start getting commissions promoting your affiliate links that they give you for any type of product pretty much in the world. So for example, in this case, we're going to go into ClickBank Marketplace. We're going to search for a particular product that we think might be good, and then we're going to eventually get traffic to that affiliate link. So the first step is to find a product. I've talked about that multiple times in a lot of different training videos, so I'm not going to ramble on about that, but pick a product that you think is going to make money. In this case, I'm going to sort by gravity, and I'm going to go into the diet niche because I know diet is going to be hot, and I'm going to choose the keto offer that you see here, and I'm going to try and promote this offer as an affiliate. So if I want to promote it, I just simply grab my affiliate link and then I can just take this link, and as soon as I get people to click on that link, if they buy the product, I earn a commission. So really, as soon as I get my link, I can start earning money. I could just call up my mom and say, hey mom, I think you really need to buy this product. It's great. Hey, check it out. Click the link. And if she buys it, I make, whatever, 50 bucks. Now, obviously, I'm not going to call my mom and ask her to buy this product, okay? It's just an example. But let's just say I send it to 100 people on an email list that I have, which most people watching this video probably don't have an email list, but let's just say that's another way I could do it. But in reality, you as a beginner, somebody that just started, how are you going to get people to click on this link and make money? Well, really, if you go onto YouTube and you search for free traffic methods, 90% of the videos are going to be completely false. They're not going to work because most of them are pitching ideas of taking this link and putting it into places like Quora or putting it into Facebook groups or going to forums. But most of the times people are in Facebook groups getting their information, and if you try and post it to a Facebook group, the link is going to be immediately flagged. You're not going to be able to post the link. So you need a different strategy. So what we need to do, and we need to do this today because you want to start making money today, you need to build a landing page, okay? A landing page is the page we're going to be promoting where people come to the page and then they see information about this keto product. They either enter an email if we're trying to create an email list, or we just create a straight up landing page. Now, how do I do that, Joey? What do? Go to powerhouseaffiliate.com/action-plan. It is a free training on how to set this up within 60 minutes. Okay, so literally within 60 minutes, you could have a website set up online, ready, and a landing page ready to go that's going to promote this ClickBank product that you just found on ClickBank, okay? So assuming you have your landing page set up, now you have your own domain, okay? This is a domain name that is not the affiliate link. So when you go into places like Quora, or you go to YouTube comments, or you go to Facebook groups and you start posting this link, you can actually get traffic to your page for free. Now, just remember, I am not pitching free paid or free traffic methods here. I'm just telling you that as an example. How do you actually get high quality traffic, okay? Don't use the shady free traffic methods. They're just like short term. You might make a few bucks here and there. You might, come out ahead one day and then spend a week trying to get clicks on your affiliate page. It's just not going to work. How do you get fast traffic and without spending a whole bunch of money? You use ad coupons, okay? For example, if you go to dayjobhacks.com/Bing, you can get $100 in free advertising credit. So basically, you can go into Bing, set up an advertisement on the Bing.com search engine. Whenever anybody searches anything related to keto diet, in this case, my ad is going to show up. So I basically go into Bing, I set up my ad using the coupon that you're going to get in that link down below in the description. You're going to set up an advertisement about the keto plan. You're going to send them directly to your landing page. They are going to see the offer. They'll hopefully click on the video link or enter their email address into that landing page. I'll collect their email, send them to the video. They'll watch the video about keto, and if they convert, I make money. So this is called arbitrage. Traffic arbitrage, or CPA, affiliate arbitrage. You've seen it all out there maybe on YouTube. If you search arbitrage, you're going to see it. In fact, we've done an entire in-depth course on traffic arbitrage inside powerhouseaffiliate.com. Just go there, sign up for the premium course. I think it's $19 for 5 courses. One of them is about arbitrage, okay? Where you're buying traffic from multiple different traffic channels and you're sending it to a page and you're hoping that the revenue from your commissions is higher than what you spend in ad spend, okay? Very simple theory, and it can actually start working for you today, immediately, if you know how to track and how to actually do this properly. So Bing isn't the only place to get traffic. There are hundreds of different places to get traffic and ad credits. Down below in the description, you'll see some more ad credit options available for you in native ads. MGID has one down below. Rich Ads for push ads. You can do Google has one. YouTube has an ad credit. Snap ads have ad credits. So you're not really spending a whole bunch of money up front, and you're starting to get paid high quality traffic to your landing pages. And this is how professional media buyers operate. This is how we make the $1,000, $10,000 days happen. Paid traffic, not content marketing. But I'm not bashing content marketing by any means. Content marketing is extremely important. That is why I do YouTube videos. That is why I have a blog about affiliate marketing. I love producing content for people online. It makes me money. YouTube pays me to do these videos, okay? But at the same time, I get to share information with people about my niche and what I am truly passionate about, okay? So this is why I do content marketing, and I think everyone should be doing content marketing for the long haul, because you're actually building an asset online, you're building an email list, you're building something that you can later sell, and something that is much more consistent than daily traffic arbitrage, okay? Hopefully you liked that video. If you did, please thumbs up, like, share, comment, whatever, all those things. And don't forget to subscribe.